How to enable push notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. This includes managing banner styles, sounds, badge app icons, and grouping notifications by app or thread. Users can also prioritize notifications through focus modes and VIP lists for emails. On this page, scroll down and go to any app. For example, AnyDesk. Here, turn on the Allow Notifications feature at the top. You have now turned on notifications for the AnyDesk app. You can manage the AnyDesk app notification settings from here. Following these steps, you can easily enable push notifications on iPhone.